cold cheddar, so bomb, she the bumpy. Hairstyle, lifestyle, vlogs on the way. What's up, tribe? Thanks for stopping by. Here's me, a beginner, learning how to do my nails, taking it one step and one day at a time. This is a real choppy video, just me sharing some things I've learned to do and not to do. So enjoy and learn and grow with me. The smaller the bead, the longer it takes, but the more control you have. So just take your time. And the more practice, so you don't keep getting these dry beads, getting mess everywhere. And have a clean station so you don't get specks and dust in the nails, then have to resort to just foolishness. I'm really enjoying this brand right here. It comes like this, and I got so many sizes. Happy I have another 12 because I was using this and I usually bite down, or I shouldn't bite, but I usually squeeze the tip really hard. I think that's the monomer changing the color of it. I don't know, but anyway, yeah, so I'm happy to have another 12. But with this brand, I don't know about everybody else, but I tend to have to bite the end of it to tighten it, or tighten it with a tool. Anyhow, this is where I'm at. I used a size 12 on these and a size 14 on these. This hand is thicker, and I like it, but I don't know. It's progress. I've been shaving this nail to try to just make it look smaller. I think I'm obsessing now. I feel like this one just looks smaller and better. But then I'm like, well, it just looks like that because it technically is smaller. Yeah. This is on low. Low. It's on like, I don't know. It's on like medium. This slide. Let me try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.